Do you want to learn how to disable conversation grouping on the Proton Mail app in this easy step-by-step tutorial? If your emails are automatically grouped into conversations or threads in Proton Mail and you prefer to see each email separately, this guide will show you exactly how to turn off conversation in view. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Proton Mail app, as you see here. Then you have to go to above to this sign or to these three lines. After that, in this window you will click on settings, so you will tap on settings. Then here in this window, as you see, you will find this page of here mailbox preferences, so you will tap here on mailbox preferences. And then here in this page you will find email settings. Then we click here to disable conversation grouping, as you see in this sign. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.